What if I told you? You can actually hack your way to a stress-free vacation. I know, I sound like one of those shady Instagram ads, but stick with me. I promise there's no crypto involved. Vacations. They sound relaxing, right? You picture palm trees, naps, fruity drinks. Reality? Airport security lines, lost luggage, questionable hotel rooms, and somehow forgetting half your underwear. We've all been there. You finally get time off work, and by day 2 of your trip, you're stress-scrolling Expedia trying to rebook flights, wondering if you packed enough socks, and Googling how to get sand out of your phone. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a disaster. With a few smart tweaks, you can actually enjoy your trip and avoid the "I need a vacation from my vacation" meltdown. Let me show you how I hack my way to a stress-free getaway, or at least as stress-free as it can be when airplanes and humans are involved. Gone are the days of printing out your entire life in paper form. Apps like TripIt keep your flights, hotels, and plans in one spot. It's basically the adult version of having your mom remind you where you need to be, but without the judgment. Also, flight alert apps, total game changer. You'll know your flight is delayed before the airline admits it. That's power, people. I used to wing it. I thought, how hard can packing be? Spoiler alert, I once packed 6 swimsuits and forgot my only pair of jeans. It was a bold fashion choice at the airport. Make a list. I know, it feels nerdy, but crossing stuff off that list? Deeply satisfying. Plus, it prevents the classic, did I pack my charger? My meds, my sanity? Panic on the way to the airport. Pro tip, start the list a week before your trip. Your brain will remember random things at 2 a.m. Listen to it. I love a good plan, but life laughs at plans, especially when you travel. Delays happen. You discover cool hidden spots. You eat too much pasta and need a nap instead of that museum tour. Build wiggle room into your schedule. It turns everything's ruined into, ooh, spontaneous adventure. Let's be real. If you're checking Slack on the beach, you're not on vacation. You're just working somewhere warm. Put the phone down. Turn off email notifications. The world will survive without your Instagram updates for a few hours. Unless you're a brain surgeon on call, in which case, maybe keep it on vibrate. For the rest of us, silence that thing. Before you even leave, tell work, family, your neighbor who always needs a favor. Hey, I'll be off the grid. You don't need to be available 24/7. You're not customer support. You're on vacation. Set those expectations early, or you'll be that person hiding in the hotel bathroom answering emails. Scrolling social media while on vacation? Dangerous. You'll convince yourself everyone else is having a more authentic, spiritual, perfectly lit trip. Spoiler, they're stressed too. They just have good filters. Do the activities you enjoy. Skip the 5 a.m. sunrise hike if you hate mornings. Your vacation, your rules. Look, can I guarantee your vacation will be 100% stress-free? Nope. If I could, I'd be filming this from my private island. But with these hacks, you can dodge at least 75% of the chaos. And that's a win. Got your own genius travel hacks? Drop them in the comments. I'm always looking for more ways to avoid being a hot mess at the airport. And if you want more brutally honest, no BS travel tips, hit that subscribe button. Your stress-free vacation starts now, or at least after airport security. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go double-check that I actually packed my charger. Again.